Hello, welcome to my Never Wonderland. I am Elsbeth again, and this is my second, as I've mentioned in my other previous video, I am doing 4 unboxings tonight, and I'm gonna share them with you. And I shared my first, the Barbie, the generic Barbie that I bought recently. And for the second, I'm gonna do, I think, this one. The Starbucks. So this is my third planner from Starbucks. Na lahat sila wala pang sulat. Yung isa yata meron. Yeah, yung first one. But I did not continue kasi hindi talaga bagay ang aking sulat paa. Someone is knocking on the door. Hold on. Wait lang. Wait. Okay, I'm back. So I was saying, hindi ko nasusulatan because nangihinayang ako. I think in every unboxing video, I've been saying this na hindi ko sinusulatan. Dahil pangit yung sulat ko. Hindi siya sulat kamay. Sulat paa. So, tada! Let's see. But I still keep on collecting stamps or stickers. Because I like planners. I like notebooks. I love them. Okay, so then there's the standard black mystery paper. Okay. So that. Hindi ko destroy din yung papel ng previous planners. Ay, napunit. It's not possible. Ba't kasi nalagyan ng ganito, ng sticker? Yung before walang sticker. It's just, okay, so let's unveil. Ooh la la. So it's another planner with a bag. Okay. Or with a pouch. Okay. And there's 2 stickers. Black and green. Lagi talagang hindi natataon na, hindi green. I like Starbucks for its green color, yung kanilang logo. But my 2 planners are also not green. Mga before pa nilang planners na green. Hindi pa ako nagko-collect that time. Okay, so it's dated. I think. Yeah, dated. Sana hindi dated para Kasi ang mga sinusulat ko lang naman sa planners, kaya nanginayang ako. Ang sinusulat ko lang naman ay bills, dues, kung nag-pay na ako, kailan ako nag-pay. Yan. I don't. So, let's show. Yung mga dotted, there's the usual mga images from their branches. This one, sa mermaid from Nasugbu, Batangas. Ay, Tagaytay. Nasugbu Road, Tagaytay. Mga mermaid, Okay. What's this? Parang medusa. Daang maharlika habitagum. Mga art pieces or art decor sa Dagupan. Is there something, or is there a branch na I'm familiar with? Kaya, yun lang. Central Block, Cebu. Mga artwork nila. Santiago. Maharlika Highway. Hiraya. Oh, here, I've been here. Hiraya, Tagaytay. Yan. I've been there. Enchanted Kingdom, Santa Rosa. Hindi pa ako napunta dyan sa branch na yan. Ortigas Avenue Extension, Pasig. Hindi pa rin. Which one kaya yun? Saan kaya yun? East Asia Generals, Jensen. And what else? One Ayala, Makati. BGC, Taguig. And this one. 6750, Ayala. Yan. Okay, so that's it. That's that. Oh, there's a pen. Iba na siya doon sa pen kung gold. Anyway, that's that. Bye!